that was a funny drink we had, eh? Oh, shit.
What? Better take my ammo, I say.
It's gone.
Oh, it's got some.
It's disappeared.
Where's
The magical music machine. Have you seen a dog? Dog!
Oh, there she is, bro. What?
Here's my magical music thing.
What music?
Shit, that's not good.
What moved that thing?
I had the magical music thing. I think it's right here.
No way, bro. Where's it?
Shit, it's disappeared.
Hey.
Hey, maybe you could get that soda string going.
Oh, see on, bro. Oh. He's a beauty, eh?
Let's just make some soda string. I'll get this one done.
You good, eh? Crack her up, Jeff.
Get out of the way, dog.
Hey, Greg, hey.
Don't wobble it. Don't wobble it.
Sorry, it's a little hard, bro. Crack it, bro. The work,
soda string.
Just ain't no, oh crap, it's gonna break!
Oh shit, it's gonna leak, bro! I got the paper towels!
No way,
shit!
Shit, bro! Don't need that many! Holy shit, bro!
Woo! Where's the magical... Oh, there's it! Where's it gone?
Oh, it's a big lake, bro. We're gonna need a lot more paper towels.
You just see there were too many. Where's the magical Where's the magical music, my friend?
Okay, I think I
down here?
I think I got it, mate.
No, where's the magical music, my friend?
What's ah, yeah!
Buzz.
Cracking like a second. What?
Music machine.
Where the music?
Here you go.
What's such thing as a music machine, bro? Never heard of such shit, Shags.
Music machine.
Oh, are you serious, bro? Still.
Oh, I know where it is.
Oh, you do, Craig? Camera. That's right, Craig.
Found it.
Now, bro.
What? What? You gone? What?
What do you want about
What?
you?
Oh, it's under your feet.
You had too many beersies, are you? And whiskies.
Too many beers for you.
You got
I couldn't find it.
You buy me a turkey sandwich? Ow!
No, seriously, it must be down here. Oh. It has to be. I had it 1 minute. Can't just get that fast. On the islands, I'll just have sex.
You did? Jeez, Craig, you never told me about that.
I never wanted to tell you, because you were getting obsessed about it.
Hey, let's have a party, eh? Brought the chip. Is it sleeping bag? Yeah, just in case we need a hangover. Hangover.
Oh, there's my music machine.
Oh.
I'm recording with it. I've been looking up for the whole morning.
What do you want about, Craig? You recording this moment, Jeff?
Why you got crackers, mockers, and all that shit?
Oh, just saying, we just...
Your recording machine.
No, Craig, Jeffy, mate. What? Wee. Hey, dog, you camouflage. See that? That's my dog. You can't see her. Camouflage. Oh, look at that white teeth, bro. Oh, look at that white teeth. You can't see her head, but you can see that white teeth. What? Oh, no. I got a camouflage dog. See the little piece of silver, eh?
Basketball.
Oh, shit, dude. Yep, I'm gonna do slam dunk. What?
That was the crackers you hit, bro.
No way.
Put those back.
Oh, no, bro.
What shit do we want?
We haven't had one. Oh, mate, that's mine. We only have a couple of battery left.
Say the shit, eh?
Oh, got that quick too, eh?
Flight of the Concords! It's like a plane, wee! Okay, we got Hurt Feelings, hip hop, blah blah blah, more shit, I don't like that.
Yeah! We have feelings!
People say that we are not rappers.
We're rappers! Say not rappers.
Some people say the rappers are invincible.
Invincible!
Oh my, it's not good, eh?
Undefeated, old-side graphical raps. Who's the head to us all true? Bring the one!
Try to make it delicious. Try to keep it nutritious. Create wonderful dishes. Not one of them thinks about the way I feel.
Nobody compliments a meal. I got good feelings. I got good.
Feel like a prize asshole. No one even mentions my casserole.
Right!
Brady!
It's you. Hey, it looks like a penis!
Or a girl pig.
Make love. You know how I know.
No, I need someone.
No! No!
Haha, you bite your tongue off.
Too many.
Say hello!